Hello guys, I'm Anna. I took a gap from YouTube after uploading some videos, but here I am finally. I'm in third year right now and I just completed my fifth sem. Technically my college is over and the sixth sem is all about getting an internship and they'll review on the basis of that. So I'm doing BBA in finance and as a fresher it is very hard to get an internship, especially in finance because everyone needs an experienced person for this. But I landed on one internship and it is very good. But I want to share some tips on how you can achieve or how you can get an internship as a fresher. So I've divided this video in 4 to 5 parts and you can just go through the timeline ki which video you want to see, but I'll just say ki go through the whole video because I'll be sharing tips in between कि मेरे personal experiences कैसे रहे हैं वो चीज़ों को लेकर. So yeah, let's move on to the video. The first one is doing courses. I know ये चीज़ें बहुत बार सबको ही बोली गई होगी कि enhance your skill and stuff, but you don't know how much these things impact especially as a fresher because we don't have anything to bring to the table, right? तो हम लोगों को prove करना है कि we are something, then you should do some courses related to your field, particular field. Right now Excel and Python are like very common, like हर जगह use हो रहा है. Even as a fresher in finance, they ask for कि Excel or Python. I don't know for what, but yeah, they do. ठीक है, तो these are the common things you can learn, plus learning is earning later on. And also as a fresher in finance or if you're looking for an internship, तो उसके लिए you can do courses like what I did was Power BI course. ये हमारे कॉलेज में there was a workshop, but उतना कुछ सिखाया नहीं था, but I was thinking of doing it, so I did that. And also there was one more, हाँ, Excel is very important. And then financial modeling, I don't know, पता नहीं, सॉरी, आई डोंट नो मैंने क्यों लगाया था ये नेल पॉलिश जो बहुत गंदा लग रहा है, मैं उसको रिमूव करना भूल चुकी हूँ. हाँ, ओके. सो ये सब जो कोर्सेज है वी कैन डू एंड ब्रिंग टू द टेबल, राइट? एंड स्पेशली द कोर्सेज फ्रॉम NSE, नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, दे ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड कोर्सेज, सो यू कैन डू लेजिटिमेट कोर्सेज फ्रॉम देम एंड वो चीज़ें बहुत स्टैंड आउट करती है रैदर दैन डूइंग कोर्सेज लाइक फ्री कोर्सेज फ्रॉम एनी वेबसाइट जो किसी ने शायद कभी सुने भी नहीं होंगे. Don't waste your time on that. What we learned through the video was कि doing courses from legitimate source like NSE, Udemy, Google, Coursera, and invest in buying courses rather than doing free courses. And also do less, but it should stand out as a more. कि ऐसा नहीं चापा 6 कोर्स कर लिया, now I am ready to बिकॉज हम लोग जब सीखते हैं, जब तक हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली नहीं करें वी डोंट नो द थिंग्स. ओके, सो 2 या 3 करो या 3 से 4 करो, बट वो बहुत अच्छे वाले करो ताकि तुम उनको लगे कि या दिस पर्सन नो समथिंग. एंड वन इज प्रोजेक्ट्स. इट इज इंटरलिंक टू द कोर्सेज पार्ट कि व्हेन यू आर डूइंग सर्टन कोर्सेज ना, तो दे प्रोवाइड यू विद सम प्रोजेक्ट्स टू वर्क ऑन और असाइनमेंट वगैरह. बट इफ दैट आर गुड ना, यू कैन जस्ट प्रेजेंट ऑन योर रेज्यूमे एंड इट इज very impactful. Like for my college I did research paper वगैरह, but that was not like very authentic type I did because वो ChatGPT करके मतलब थोड़ा बहुत किया था, तो इसलिए I didn't put any of those stuffs on my resume. But if you are doing it, so make sure कि you just put on your resume and save it because it is very impactful. Third one is building a good resume. ये पार्ट बहुत ही बड़ा है, लाइक आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन यू गाइज, बट आई invested like 2 to 3 or 4 days for this because getting a good resume format and the whole matter or things we'll say is very important. And I know as a beginner we struggles a lot to make a good resume, but trust me, if I can do it, you can too. ठीक है, तो फॉर दिस वीडियो आई वॉज थिंकिंग टू मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी elongated थिंग, बट आई जस्ट टेल यू इन शॉर्ट कि हाउ यू कैन जस्ट इन्वेस्ट इट इन. लाइक इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ resume फ्रॉम Canva or Microsoft, do it, okay? And then you have to alter it many times because the thing I did was कि मैंने ना free ATS checker पे डाला था on Google and the first resume I did it was around 30. ठीक है, मतलब वो तो मैं अगर कहीं भेजती तो शायद मुझे कोई ऐसा देखता भी नहीं उस रेज्यूमे को. देन आई ऑल्टर इट अगेन एंड देन तब मैंने किया तो 40 था, 50 था. देन आई डिड इट अराउंड लाइक 2 to 3 times or more than that, and then I got my perfect resume, like the whole format. I even asked one of my sisters, she is an HR, मतलब she is doing HR, so she also helped me a lot कि IIM के resume कैसे रहते हैं and also. But if you want that I can make a separate video for that, just comment down below. Things we learned was make a short and crisp resume and don't just get lazy to do trial and errors. And put that resume through ATS checker because that's very important. मेरे बहुत time बाद, like after 2 to 3 times I reached around 70 to 80, and do it for free. You don't need to buy anything. So you can apply to the site like Indeed or Naukri.com, but I started from Internshala, which was very convenient for me to apply from that. And I also did apply in Invest India. Yeah, it is a government site, but it gets a hard process. Like तुमको वहाँ पर chances नहीं है, like you just can't communicate or do a cover letter for them. It's just you have to apply once, but if you are very lucky now, you should, I'm telling you. Internshala thing, whatever I saw, I just applied to everything, like the requirements and all. First finance obviously वहाँ पर alter करने के लिए आ जाता है. You should do it. You should take the remote one also. Like हर चीज़ करो because it's not on you. ठीक है, we are just searching for it, so it's not on you. तो don't just choose कि नहीं मुझे work from home ही चाहिए ऐसा वैसा. Then you will get according to work from home. You won't be learning anything until unless you go there and just learn. It is different. ठीक है. So उसके बाद वो चीज़ें को तुम you have to alter it, and I just applied to everything. The post like जो भी posting आती थी, and I was very consistent because my life was I was hanging मेरे लाइफ में because I had to get my internship before 1st Jan. ठीक है. So I started in November. पहले मैं सोची कि like September में I'll start, but then समय आते आते it went towards November. Then I was like कि shit, मेरा तो shit हो गया. Another thing is you need to be really consistent for it. I have seen people like they apply and they just forget because every day new posting is coming up. ठीक है, तो तुम जितने apply करो ना उतने बहुत better है. I applied around 15 to 16 or more than that. ठीक है, उतने जगहों पे I was applying, and एक जगह से आया and they were like कि there's an assignment for the Excel thing, and then I put up. फिर उनका कुछ response नहीं आया, तो उसके बाद like थोड़े failure भी मिल सकते हैं. Just don't get upset about that. Just keep applying until you get one because कहीं ना कहीं people are searching, ठीक है, to get a fresher for the job role. Things we learn over here is you need to start applying soon, then be consistent and don't get sad over the failures you get. ठीक है, there's a long way and there's a long run. You'll surely get one. Trust me, if I can, you can too. So yeah, don't get upset from those all things. So when you apply to Internshala, there's a one question like why we should hire you, and that question should really stand out. ठीक है. So मैंने पहले बहुत search किया. What I did was कि I searched through a lot, and then मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि how should I do it. Like if I do in my writing, then it will be very unprofessional और अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So what I did was whatever the job role posting was, I just copied that and submitted to ChatGPT, and I told him I need to write why should we hire you, and I gave that. But that was not it. I didn't just copy or paste it from the ChatGPT. I took that and I alter it in my way. Like अगर वो ChatGPT mention नहीं कर रहा है, but मैं I gave a personal touch to that. ऐसा समझ सकते हो. ठीक है. I was like कि I am good in this. I can be an asset to your company. I'm willing to learn. I'm an open learner and I'm willing to give everything. I'm good with teamwork, so you don't have to ऐसा कुछ तो भी करके I wrote my cover letter, and if I have my cover letter, I'll just put something of picture over here, and even for the resume thingy. But you just need to know कि you should stand out. Also do mention your skills or the courses कि तुमने क्या क्या किया and what skills you have gained, and how that has helped you in gaining experience and gaining much more skills, and what you bring to the table for them. कि वो कैसे why they should hire you. So you need to also write your skills or courses, what you have done throughout this whole thing, because that matters the most over there. कि when you are writing a cover letter, make sure कि they know कि जो भी चीज़ें तुमने सीखी है they are useful, कि how they are useful to the company or to the environment or to their team. Okay, I'll just put some keywords ki what you can add over here, so you just get an idea, and also a ChatGPT prompt ki what you need to ask to the ChatGPT in order to get a perfect cover letter, and then you should personalize it on your own. If you want to make a separate video on cover letter too, I'll be happy to make it. And also here we come to the end of the video, and this is about lessons and tips. The first one is don't just do plagiarism from ChatGPT. I know that is here and that really helps a lot, but in short, but at last you need to add your personalization, because you'll be the one getting a job or an internship, not him or not her. And the second one is being consistent, because when we apply and then forget the next day or 2-3 days, then we apply again क्योंकि हमको reality hit होती है. But don't do that thing, because it is like कि बीच में कितने पोस्टिंग आ रहे होंगे एंड अच्छी पोस्टिंग आके गए होंगे, वी नेवर रियलाइज दैट. सो मेक श्योर यू स्टिक टू इट एंड जस्ट डू इट फॉर a time period until you get one. You need to be really consistent to get something, okay? The third one is expectations. You should have your expectations very low, because we are the one that needs a job, not them. So don't just have a pre-decided mindset कि नहीं मुझे तो 10,000 के मिलेगी तभी I'll do it, otherwise I won't. It doesn't work like that. You should be open to learn, ठीक है, first. And after gaining certain experience, you can expect some better amount, but not at the beginning. Like I've seen my friends working under a CA, like for GST or tax filing, and they're getting paid around 3,000 per month. So now you can see, even if you work under a company, you shouldn't be expecting much more. I'm talking about finance or any other. In marketing, sometimes it goes up to 10 to 15. I've also seen my friends from marketing, they are getting paid for paid like that for an internship. And अगर सेल्स का करना होगा तो तुमको बहुत मिल जाएगा, but seriously sales is not my cup of tea. You shouldn't have expectations beyond your capacity, because as a fresher हमने तो कुछ मता ही नहीं है. We are just going for learn, so be open to learning first. So I hope my journey really inspired you to get up from bed and finally get an internship, because now we are in our 20s and we need to start working for ourselves rather than depending on our parents for everything. Just be consistent and be open for learning, and don't expect high. You'll surely get one job. And I don't know your background noise, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रही है, मैं बच्चों को पहले ही डांट चुकी हूँ. All the best for applying. You are finally getting started in your life. I just hope you get one soon. Bye bye, and do like and subscribe if you loved it.